Om Shri Matre Namaha. Hello my divine viewers, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Vedic Dream Meaning. In today's video, we learn about a very special topic, the Ashwini Nakshatra. Ashwini is the first nakshatra of the Rashis and it's known for its unique energy, symbolism and personality traits. We are going to discuss about your personality traits, your ruler, your career, relationship compatibility, the challenges you normally face, and not only that, like always, we will also provide you with some easy solutions that you can implement right at your home to strengthen your nakshatra and tap into its full potential. Trust me, we are going to reveal some unique points that probably you wouldn't find in Google. So if you're interested, stick around and don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more Vedic astrology knowledge. Let's get started. Before we start looking into Ashwini specifically, let's talk about nakshatras in general for basic understanding. In Vedic astrology, the 12 Rashis are further divided into 27 nakshatras or stars, each spanning 13 degrees and 20 minutes. These nakshatras add a layer of depth and specificity to a person's personality, especially in areas related to their moon sign. While Rashis provide a broad characteristic, nakshatras will give you some intricate details about one's nature, their strengths, karmic tendencies, etc. Let's make it easy. For example, the address says Bangalore, then nakshatras indicate where in Bangalore the person is living. Is it Indiranagar? Is it Malleshwaram? Is it Basveshnagar? Etc. These nakshatras are further divided into 4 padas, each possessing distinct characteristics and influences which will add more clarity. For example, it's like saying 100 feet road in Indiranagar. Each nakshatra is associated with a symbol, a ruler and specific qualities which will combine to give you a fuller understanding of an individual's personality. The nakshatra of the moon at the time of your birth is particularly important as it will reflect your core emotional nature, instincts and overall outlook at life. Ashwini spans from 0 degrees to 13 degrees 20 minutes in Aries or Mesha Rashi and is ruled by the planet Ketu, which is the south node of the moon. This nakshatra is symbolized by a horse's head and is associated with healing, speed and action. Symbol, horse's head. The symbol of Ashwini is the head of a horse, which signifies strength, speed and a leading spirit. The horse is known for its vitality, freedom and energy, traits which are also seen in those born under this nakshatra. The horse's head also represents the power of thought and mental clarity, indicating that people with strong Ashwini influences tend to be quick thinkers and they are often solution-oriented. Presiding deities, the Ashwini Kumaras. The deities of Ashwini Nakshatra are the Ashwini Kumaras, the twin gods of healing in Vedic astrology. They are known for their abilities in medicine and miraculous healing, as well as their playful and youthful energy. This divine influence gives Ashwini natives a strong healing touch both physically and emotionally. They often feel drawn to help others, whether through traditional medicine, counseling, or just by being a supportive presence for them. Planetary ruler is Ketu. Ashwini is ruled by Ketu, the south node of the moon, a planet which is associated with spirituality, detachment, and wisdom. Ketu's influence gives Ashwini a mystical quality. It drives individuals to find the truth which is beyond the material world and can make them inclined towards spirituality and a lot of introspection about themselves. Ketu also adds an element of impulsiveness and adventure. So those born under Ashwini will often have a love for exploring new things and pushing their boundaries. Element is fire. Ashwini Nakshatra is a part of Aries sign, which is a fire sign, which gives it a strong fiery energy. Ashwini natives are generally ambitious, courageous and ready to take action. This nakshatra's fiery nature gives its natives a bold personality, a fearless approach and a passion for starting new ventures. They can often be seen as leaders in whatever field they choose. Adventurous and independent. People born under Ashwini Nakshatra are typically adventurous, independent and love to take the lead, which is indicated as they are the first of the 27 nakshatras with a strong desire to explore new paths and to innovate. This independence can sometimes make them seem aloof or unwilling to compromise, but it's also what makes them unique and motivated. They are very rapid and full of vigor, just like the horse. Healers and problem solvers. Ashwini natives possess a healing energy. They are often drawn to professions in healing, medicine, psychology, or may even have a natural talent for helping others. Normally, we are all aware that Ashwini Nakshatra is represented by a horse head, but did you all know that Ashwini star is also associated with scissors or knife? Maybe this is also another reason for the affinity towards medicine and research fields. They are also quick problem solvers, often able to assess the situation quickly and find solutions effectively, or at least a quick fix to the problem at hand. Curious and quick thinkers. Ashwini is known for quick thinking and curiosity. Those born under this nakshatra are generally very curious about the world, always eager to learn something new. They are quick learners and their mind moves rapidly, often coming up with some new ideas, new solutions, new things to try, new things to do, etc. You're quite persistent in any activity that you believe and you take up. But at the same time, if you're betrayed, you will never look back at the person again. You have that self-determination. However, this quick-mindedness can sometimes make them very impatient or overly eager, leading them to jump into things even without fully thinking them through. Youthful energy and enthusiasm. The Ashwini Kumaras are youthful deep, and similarly, people born in this nakshatra often have a very youthful and energetic aura. They may have expressive eyes, a little prominent forehead and nose. They approach life with enthusiasm and are often seen as fun-loving, energetic and optimistic individuals. However, you often fear criticism and pay a lot of attention to what others might think of you. Their lively nature draws people to them, making them natural leaders and influencers. Spiritual inclination. Due to Ketu's influence, Ashwini natives often have a spiritual or a mystical side. They may be drawn to spiritual practices or have a natural sense of intuition. You'll be very close to your father, and fathers will play an important role in your life. This can make them seek deeper meanings in life, or they might even feel a need to balance their material achievements with inner fulfillment. Career paths. People born in Ashwini Nakshatra often excel in careers where they can lead, heal, or innovate. They may do well in fields such as medicine, healing, adventure-related professions, research-involved fields like biomedical, PhD, etc. So this doesn't have to be the person who's born in this Ashwini star itself. It could be anyone who's closely related to this person as well. It can be that the people born in the stars would have more friends or family members from these professions or closely associated with them. Their quick thinking nature also makes them great in roles that require swift decision making, problem solving, and adventurous. Relationship compatibility. Ashwini natives usually do well with partners who respect their independence and share their enthusiasm for life. They need someone who understands their need for freedom and doesn't restrict their adventurous nature. Compatibility tends to be high with other fire or air nakshatras as they match their energy and spontaneity. They are also compatible with other nakshatras like Bharani, Kritikai, and Pushyam. Impulsiveness. People born under Ashwini star desire for action that can lead to impulsiveness. You may tend to act first and think later, which can result in rash decisions and hasty actions sometimes. Your impulsive nature can sometimes lead to challenges in relationships, careers, or long-term commitments, as you may jump into situations too quickly without considering all the potential consequences. Ashwini star is also associated with bones, therefore chances of bone fractures, extra bone growth, or bone-related incidents may occur. Restlessness. With their natural curiosity and energetic approach to life, Ashwini natives can be prone to restlessness. They may find it difficult to stay still or stick to some daily routines, always looking for next adventure or challenge. This restlessness can sometimes make it challenging for them to complete some long-term projects or to settle down in one place or to settle down with one commitment. Difficulty in taking advice. As natural leaders and independent thinkers, Ashwini natives can sometimes be resistant to take advice from others. You often believe that you know the best course of action, and you may overlook valuable input from others, even your family members. This trait, while being part of your Ashwini spirit, can lead to challenges in relationships as well as in teamwork. You are also mostly short-tempered. So this is something you need to overcome if you want to gain more relationships and deeper bonds in life. Need for instant gratification. Ashwini's fiery energy often will drive the natives to seek instant results, which can make them very impatient. They may struggle with tasks that require long-term dedication or projects that don't yield quick outcomes. This desire for instant rewarding or instant gratification can also impact your finances and relationships, as you might seek temporary pleasures instead of looking for long-term fulfillment. Detachment due to Ketu. The influence of Ketu can sometimes make the Ashwini natives look very detached or disconnected from worldly matters. You might find it difficult to focus on practical issues, or you might feel a strong pull towards spiritual pursuits that make you look like you're neglecting the material responsibilities that are required for a family life. Like always in our channel, we not only discuss about the challenges, we also provide you with simple remedies you can follow that will strengthen your nakshatra and tap into the full potential. To receive blessings and tap into the positive energies of Ashwini Nakshatra, the deities you can worship are, firstly, Lord Ganesha or Goddess Saraswati. Both the deities are associated with knowledge. Especially Lord Ganesha, which is under the peepal tree, will be beneficial for you. Listening to music of the veena at home or keeping veena at home or even learning to play it will prove lucky for you. Getting blessings from the temple elephants will prove lucky for you. My advice to Ashwini star born people is that at least once in your lifetime, please visit any Goddess Saraswati temple, especially the one with the Sri Chakram, like for example, the Sringeri Sri Sharadambe Devi temple in Karnataka. To enhance your blessings, you can also wear a small Ganesha pendant or an elephant pendant. You can also wear elephant printed garments or choose elephant embroidered silk saris for your wedding or any special occasions. Favorable colors you can opt for are orange, red, and to be more precise, the sunset colors. You can activate your nakshatra by performing Surya Namaskar or Topakarnam, which is a religious form of squat to Lord Ganesha 9 times or multiples of 9. Offer Arungampul, also known as Karike Hullu or Bermuda grass or single layered red hibiscus flower to Lord Ganesha while praying. Okay, I hope the video was helpful. We will discuss the other nakshatras in the upcoming video. To get notified, do subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when your nakshatra comes up. If you have any thoughts you would like to share about Ashwini Nakshatra, please do leave your comments. We appreciate your likes and comments. Namaskaram.